I'm going to show you a standing core exercise used commonly. It's called Pallof press. So when you attach it, you want the attachment to be lined up with your chest. If it's lower, it makes a difference. If it's higher, it makes a difference. For our purposes, we're going to have it lined up. So a traditional Pallof press, your feet are hip width apart, knees are soft, my shoulders above my hips. Notice the angle. I'm here. And I want you to note my hand position. I want your left hand, your inside hand to grip it, and your outside hand to wrap around. There's a reason for that. So I'm here, I inhale, I exhale, I press straight. You want to have enough tension where it's pulling me to the left, hence an anti-rotation exercise. Exhale, inhale, 3, 2, 1, and then bring it back. Level 2, I can press, I can let go, and it's a little bit more challenging. And what I'm going to say is when you're holding the handle, grip it, don't squeeze it. This is a grip, meaning I can let go. A squeeze is when you really squeeze. I don't want to squeeze, so just hold that. If you want more challenge, you just drop into it. That's the exercise. Hope you enjoy it.